Students, today we are going to discuss chemistry chapter sulfur and its compounds. Sulfur क्या होता है? Both in free or in combined state in the form of sulfate of calcium, magnesium and sulfides of zinc, iron, copper, mercury. So sulfur is the most important minerals, that is iron pyrites in volcanic regions, notably in Italy or in north part. The crude sulfur is found in free state and also associate with the native calcium sulfate or carbonates. So, element sulfur exists in various allotropic form, either including in several solids or in liquid state. In a solid state, it's known as rhombic alpha sulfur or sublimed sulfurs, or monoclinic known as beta sulfur, or plastics also known as supercooling, and amorphous sulfurs. Sulfur is highly active elements, mainly react with metals or non-metals to form sulfides like Na2S, CS2 and other compounds contain divalent S2 ions. So oxidizing agent in aqueous media lead to formation of sulfuric acids that can be used therapeutically both internally or topically on the skin. That is a poor antiseptic or antibacterial actions. Antibacterial action because due to oxidation reduction product of elements like sulfides, pentathionic acids formation by bacteria on the surface of skins. Some bacteria or some microorganisms not harmed by sulfides or leaving the pentothionic acids, so it's used in topical preparation. There are different topical sulfur preparations. These are dusting powders, ointment, creams, lotions, which are mainly used as a fungicide, parasiticides, keratolytics, destruction of keratin in the skins. So the sulfur candles when burned that can give sulfur dioxide for the fumigation or insecticide purpose, that can also in depellatories due to ability of sulfides in high alkaline solutions. So that has different therapeutic uses. There are different sulfur salts like sodium bisulfide, sodium metabisulfide, also used in pharmaceutical preparation as an antioxidant to prevent the oxidation, preservative for protection or stabilizer. So sodium thiosulfate as an antidote in iodine or cyanide poisoning, and other are used in parasitic skin disease like sulfonamides, thiazide as a diuretics. These are different drugs which are pharmacologically important. Like next is precipitated sulfur. Precipitated sulfur है synonym milk of sulfur, that is the sulfur compounds which show therapeutic actions. Precipitated sulfur or sublimed sulfur, these are the separate monographs that can prepared by treat with HCl. HCl से क्या बनता है? थायोसल्फ्यूरिक एसिड प्लस सोडियम क्लोराइड्स that is unstable or decomposed to give precipitated sulfurs. So next, also precipitated sulfur prepared on commercial scale by adding powder sulfurs to slaked lime and waters, that can also treated with HCl which result in a formation precipitated sulfur is prepared on commercial scale by adding sublimed or powder sulfurs to slaked lime and waters. The filter is then treated with calculated quantity of an HCl, so formation of precipitated sulfurs. Next is property. It's a pale grayish yellow soft powder which is amorphous or free from grittiness. Next, uses of sulfurs. Sulfur is mainly used as an antiseptic or parasticides, mainly used for the treatment of acne, जो skin problems होती हैं scabies उसके लिए, और in the form of lotion or ointment, also used in treatment of fungal infections, mainly as a dermatological agent in treatment of seborrhea. Seborrhea means abnormal secretion of sebum from the sebaceous gland or oily skin, oily appearance on the skin. Also in conjunctions with other keratolytics. Sulfur loosen or soften the horny elements and scaly formation of sebum or remove them from the sides. Also in overcoming congestions around the hair follicles, so as a keratolytics used in ointment and lotions. It can also use for internal purpose as a cathartics or laxatives for the treatment of constipations. Precipitated sulfur also convert into small intestine into alkali sulfides, also used in homeopathic medicines, etc. Next is sublime sulfur, that is known as flowers of sulfurs, that can obtain by condensing the sulfur vapors by heating any form of sulfurs. Next is properties. It's a fine yellow crystalline powder with a faint or unpleasant odor and taste, insoluble in water and alcohol, but only soluble in carbon disulfides. 1 gram of sublime sulfur dissolves slowly, incompletely in 2 ml of carbon disulfides. It burns with blue flame and produce sulfur dioxides. Its uses almost similar like sulfur as an antiseptic parasticide or as a cathartics. Next is selenium sulfide. Selenium sulfide है SCSO2, selenium disulfide, that is prepared by adding siliceous acids solution to the solution saturated with hydrogen sulfide in the presence of ammonium chloride, which act as a coagulant. So precipitation of selenium sulfide, that is filtered off and washed and dried. Selenium sulfide mainly used for the treatment of hair fall, so it's added mainly into the shampoo and hair products. So that is a bright orange to reddish brown powder with a faint odor of hydrogen sulfide, insoluble in water, inorganic solvent, also dissolved in nitric acid with the formation of siliceous or sulfuric acids. That is highly toxic if taken orally, so used in different preparations. It is also as important nutrients in traces, but in large dose that will cause irritation of gastric mucosa and appearance of fat in the liver, so may damage to the renal tubules, blood forming organs like spleen or bone marrows, also absorb into the traces when applied to the skin, so added into the creams to control dandruff or for scalp problems, so that can be used in hair products. After that the hair has been washed or rinsed, 5 to 10 ml of application should be applied to the scalp. Carefully avoid area around the eyes, so together with small volume of warm water to produce as a lather. So after rinsing, second treatment should be made so that the time exposure of scalp to the action of selenium sulfide is at least 5 minutes. So then hair should through be rinsed and all traces of suspension removed from the hands and fingernails to prevent its introduction into the eyes. It causes eye irritation, so avoid contact with eyes. Application should be used twice a week, 3 times in a day. It should not be applied to the inflamed or weeping area because of systemic toxicity or due to cutaneous absorption. It's highly toxic, so not used into the swelling areas, so can should be taken. It does not either enter into the conjunctival sac, it may cause conjunctivitis or keratitis, so prolonged use should be avoid loss of hair also. Next, astringent. Astringents These are locally applied protein precipitants which have low cell permeability. So action does not result into the death of cells, only permeability is reduced. Means permeability of cell membrane is reduced, not the kill the microorganisms, only precipitate that proteins. Under the influence of astringents, small blood vessels occurs, but action is controlled only by using topical form. So antimicrobial or astringent can penetrate to the point it can damage that tissues. प्रोटीन जो होते हैं उस सेल के अंदर जो मेन प्रोटीन उसको चाहिए ग्रोथ के लिए उसको इनहिबिट करते हैं, डैमेज करते हैं एस्ट्रिंजेंट और एंटीमाइक्रोबियल्स. So astringents are therapeutically used as a styptics to arrest hemorrhage bleeding जो कट से वाउंड से निकल रही है उसको स्टॉप करते हैं. टू प्रमोट द coagulation of blood, constricting small capillaries to check diarrhea, antiperspirant to decrease sweating by constricting pore at the surface of skin, to reduce inflammation by restriction of blood supply to the surface of mucous membrane, to promote healing or toughen the skin as a deodorant, inhibits the bad smells by virtue of interactions with the odors, fatty acid liberator produced by action of bacteria or lipids in sweat. Due to decrease in pH, suppress bacterial growth, direct action on skins to remove unwanted tissues. Next, astringents. Example, principal inorganic astringents that are the salt of aluminium, zinc, manganese, iron, bismuth, silver, aluminium chloride, aluminium hydroxide, aluminium sulfate, aluminium acetate, zinc sulfate also. Alum, that is the main part, main astringent. Example, that is mainly used for different problems. Alum is a large colorless crystals fragrance, or it's a white powder with sweetish strong astringent taste that is acid to litmus, freely soluble in water but also dissolved in glycerin, insoluble in alcohol. It about 200 degrees Celsius loses its water. Incompatible with borax hydroxide, mainly used as a powerful astringent that is also given by mouth. So it has been used mainly in mouthwash, gargles and destructive action on teeth. So mainly used for application to the skin to reduce excessive perspirations, also to harden the skin by athletes, or as a foot bath to toughen the skins of the feet. It can also used in lotions, douches, in cleansing deodorant preparations, also mainly for precipitated the diphtheria or tetanus toxoid. Next is zinc sulfate. Zinc sulfate ZnSO4, that is prepared by boiling metallic zinc with dilute sulfuric acids. So it can also prepared by action of dilute sulfuric acid. So water is removed. It is a colorless transparent crystals. Also taste is metallic and astringent property, efflorescence in dry air, freely soluble in glycerin but insoluble in alcohol. It should be stored in tightly closed container. So zinc sulfate not commonly used for internal purpose. Also used as a emetics to reduce vomiting, also in narcotics poisoning. Also used for antiseptic or astringent property. Also used as a ophthalmic astringent. Next is dental product. Dental product जो हम teeth के लिए use करते हैं, like for cleansing, for tooth problems. These are known as dental products. टूथ में क्या होता है, 3 लेयर्स होती हैं, डेंटिन, सीमेंटम और इनेमल. डेंटिन जो सराउंड द पल्प कैविटीज, सीमेंटम जो लार्जेस्ट कवरिंग पोर्शन ऑफ टीथ इन द गम, इनेमल्स इनर लेयर ऑफ द टीथ. So dentin 75% of mineral is hard, enamel 98% of minerals, that is the hardest substance present in the body. So organic matrix of dentin and cementum is bone-like, fully formed enamels. Hydroxyapatite crystals are quite large. So in case of bone, vitamin A, C and D all are necessary for tooth formations. Vitamin A deficiency that can cause hypoplastic enamels, or vitamin C calcification of dentins. Vitamin D not only help the absorption of calcium from the GIT but also proper deposition of calcium or phosphorus in the tooth. So variety of inorganic compounds can use as a dental products that are non-prescription or over-the-counter products. Thank you.